Genetic code and its properties. The genetic code is the biological set of rules by which information encoded within genetic material, DNA or mRNA sequences, is translated into proteins, amino acid sequences, by living cells. It serves as a molecular dictionary that bridges the gap between nucleic acids and the functional proteins that drive cellular processes. For example, mRNA, 5-OGCUUUGGCUAA3 is translated as MET, ALA, PHE, GLY, stop. Thus, the genetic code is essentially the language used by cells to convert nucleic acid information into protein information. Why are codons made of 3 nucleotides? There are 4 different RNA bases. A equals adenine. U equals uracil. G equals guanine. C equals cytosine. If one nucleotide represented one amino acid, 4 superscript 1 equals 4 combinations. Not enough for 20 amino acids. If 2 nucleotides formed a codon, 4 superscript 2 equals 16 combinations. Still insufficient. If 3 nucleotides formed a codon, 4 superscript 3 equals 64 combinations. This provides enough combinations to encode 20 amino acids. 3 stop codons. Therefore, the genetic code is a triplet code. How it was discovered/deciphered? While we often use the word invented in daily language, the genetic code is a natural biological system that evolved billions of years ago. Therefore, scientists didn't invent it, they deciphered it. The cracking of the code was a monumental collaborative triumph in molecular biology during the 1950s and 1960s. A useful way to remember the history is Crick rightward arrow Gamow rightward arrow Nirenberg and Mathey rightward arrow Corona rightward arrow Holly rightward arrow Crick's final confirmation. Major contributors. Scientist, S. Major contribution. George Gamow. Proposed theoretical ideas about a triplet code. Francis Crick. Proposed the adaptor concept and provided major theoretical framework. James Watson and Francis Crick. DNA structure provided the molecular basis for understanding genetic information. Marshall Nirenberg and J. Heinrich Mathey. First experimental breakthrough, UUU codes for phenylalanine. Severo Ochoa. Developed/used polynucleotide phosphorylase, enabling synthesis of artificial RNA. Harkov and Corona. Used synthetic RNAs with defined repeating sequences to decipher many codons. Robert W. Holly. Determined the structure of tRNA, supporting the adaptor mechanism. Francis Crick and colleagues. Demonstrated important features of the triplet nature of the code. Nirenberg and collaborators. Completed much of the codon assignment. DNA structure. In 1953, James Watson and Francis Crick, building on crucial experimental work by Rosalind Franklin, Maurice Wilkins, and others, proposed the double helical structure of DNA. This was enormously important because it established how genetic information could be stored and copied. However, the actual relationship, nucleotide sequence rightward arrow amino acid sequence was still unknown. George Gamow, 1954, a physicist who first theorized that because there are 4 unique nucleotide bases and 20 standard amino acids, the genetic code must be read in groups of 3, triplets. A 2-letter code would only yield 4 squared equals 16 combinations, which is not enough, while a 3-letter code yields 4 cubed equals 64 combinations. Therefore, a 3-base code could potentially encode all 20 amino acids. Gamow's proposals were theoretical and were not the final correct description of how codons work, but they helped stimulate thinking about the problem. Crick's adaptor hypothesis. Francis Crick proposed the famous adaptor hypothesis. He suggested that there should be molecules capable of recognizing specific nucleotide information, carrying the corresponding amino acid. This adaptor turned out to be transfer RNA, tRNA. The concept can be represented as mRNA codon rightward arrow tRNA anticodon rightward arrow amino acid. For example, mRNA, 5-OG3. tRNA anticodon, 3-UAC5. The tRNA carries methionine. This was a major conceptual breakthrough in understanding translation. The breakthrough experiment of Nuremberg and Matthey, 1961. This is one of the most important experiments in molecular biology. Marshall Nuremberg and J. Heinrich Matthey developed a cell-free protein synthesizing system. They used an artificial RNA containing only uracil, poly-uRNA. When this RNA was added to the cell-free system, it directed synthesis of a polypeptide containing only phenylalanine. Therefore, UUU codes for phenylalanine. This was the first codon assignment experimentally established. It was a landmark discovery. This provided the first direct evidence that nucleotide triplets specify amino acids. Role of Severo Ochoa and colleagues contributed an important tool for this work. The enzyme polynucleotide phosphorylase, PN-POSA, could synthesize RNA-like polynucleotides without using a DNA template in the normal transcriptional manner. This made it possible to produce artificial RNAs for genetic code experiments. For example, poly-U, poly-A, poly-C, mixed/repeating RNAs. These artificial RNAs could then be tested in cell-free translation systems. Marshall Nuremberg and Heinrich Matthey, 1961 conducted the breakthrough poly-U experiment at the NIH. They synthesized an RNA chain consisting entirely of uracil, UUU, and discovered it produced a protein chain made strictly of the amino acid phenylalanine. This was the first codon ever cracked. Hargobind Khorana synthesized more complex, repeating RNA sequences to methodically decipher the remaining codons. Robert Holley determined the structure of transfer RNA, tRNA, the molecule that actually reads the mRNA and fetches the correct amino acid. The tRNA structure provided strong support for the adaptor concept. The genetic code was deciphered mainly by Marshall Nuremberg, Hargobind Khorana and their collaborators, with important theoretical and experimental contributions from Francis Crick, George Gamow, Severo Ochoa, Robert Holley, and others. Nuremberg, Khorana, and Holley shared the 1968 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine for this work. Properties of the genetic code. The code possesses several strict mathematical and biochemical properties that govern how cellular machinery reads it. Triplet nature, the genetic code is a triplet code. The code is read in discrete 3-base sequences called codons. Out of the 64 possible codons, 61 code for amino acids, and 3 act as stop signals. Degeneracy, redundancy because there are 61 coding triplets for only 20 amino acids, most amino acids are encoded by more than one codon. For example, the amino acid leucine is specified by 6 different codons. This degeneracy acts as a critical buffer against genetic mutations. A change in the third base of a codon often results in the exact same amino acid being produced. Not all amino acids are equally degenerate. Methionine and tryptophan are only 2 standard amino acids have 1 codon each, methionine, OG, tryptophan, UG. This is an important exception to the degeneracy of the genetic code. Degeneracy is biologically useful. Because several codons can encode the same amino acid, some nucleotide substitutions, especially at the third codon position, may not change the amino acid. Therefore, degeneracy can provide a degree of mutational robustness. Number of codons. Amino acids. 1. Met, TRP. 2. PHE, TIR, IS, GLN, ASN, LIS, ASP, GLU, CIS. 3. IL. 4. PRO, THR, ALA, GLY, VAL. 6. LEU, SIR, ARG. Unambiguous and specific. While an amino acid can have multiple codons, a specific codon will only ever code for one specific amino acid. For instance, UUU will always code for phenylalanine and nothing else. Degenerate is not equal to ambiguous. Degenerate, several codons, code same amino acid. Unambiguous means, a particular codon specifies only one amino acid. Non-overlapping and commoless, the mRNA sequence is read continuously from a fixed starting point. The sequence OG-COGAC is read strictly as OG, CAU, GAC. There is no overlap, and there are no commas or skipped bases between codons. That is, no punctuation marks separating codons. The ribosome determines codon boundaries from the reading frame, rather than from commas. Nearly universal, from bacteria to giant redwoods to humans, the genetic code is fundamentally the same. This means that most organisms use essentially the same codon assignments. This evolutionary conservation allows human genes to be inserted into bacteria, like E. coli, to successfully produce human insulin. The genetic code is nearly universal, not absolutely universal. Important examples occur in mitochondria. Some mitochondrial genomes use codons differently. For example, in human mitochondria, UGA codes for TRP amino acid rather than stop codon. Also, AUA codes for met amino acid rather than IL. And AGA/AG are stop codon rather than ARG. Thus, the genetic code varies in some organelles and organisms. Polarity, directionality, the code is always read in a fixed direction, from the 5' end of the mRNA to the 3' end. Reading frame, because the code is triplet, the sequence can potentially be read in different frames. For example, OQAA, frame 1, OGCU AAA, frame 2, OGQA, frame 3, GGCUAA, only one reading frame is normally selected during translation according to the start site and regulatory signals. A mutation involving insertion or deletion of one or two nucleotides can shift this reading frame. This is called a frame shift mutation. Start and stop signals, the codon OG universally serves a dual purpose. It codes for the amino acid methionine and acts as the start signal for translation. In bacteria, the initiating amino acid is usually N-formylmethionine, F-met, so, OG rightward arrow met, but at the beginning of bacterial translation, OG rightward arrow F-met. Importantly, OG can also occur internally and encode methionine, it is not exclusively a start signal. Conversely, UAA ochre, UAG amber, and UGA opal/umber are nonsense codons. They do not code for any amino acid and instead signal the ribosome to stop translation. They are recognized by release factors, not by ordinary tRNAs carrying amino acids. Wobble property, one of the most important concepts associated with genetic code degeneracy is the Wobble hypothesis, proposed by Francis Crick in 1966. The third nucleotide of an mRNA codon can show greater flexibility in pairing with the Anticodon. The positions can be represented as mRNA codon, 5xx2x33. The first two bases are generally more important for specificity, whereas the third position often permits flexible pairing. This helps explain how a relatively small number of tRNAs can recognize many codons. There are 61 sense codons, but organisms do not necessarily require 61 different tRNAs. Because of flexible base pairing at the Wobble position, a single tRNA can sometimes recognize more than one codon. Therefore, Wobble contributes to the degeneracy of the genetic code and reduces the number of distinct tRNAs required. Silent, missense and nonsense mutations, the degeneracy of the genetic code has important consequences for mutations. Silent mutation, a codon changes but the amino acid remains the same. Example, GAA rightward arrow GAG, both encode glutamate. Missense mutation, a nucleotide substitution changes one amino acid to another. Example, GAG rightward arrow GUG, glutamate rightward arrow valine. Nonsense mutation, a codon changes into a stop codon. Example, UAU rightward arrow UAA, TIR rightward arrow stop, this can prematurely terminate translation. The 64 codons and their corresponding amino acids.